I obtained a clip from Brad Garlinghouse's recent interview with eToro. We will also show this Riplex dev video clip. Today we'll discuss some fascinating events in South Korea, including MiCA and how it may affect Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP once implemented in Europe. The European Union plans to put the rule into effect at the end of the year. The Bitcoin market is going to have a fantastic time. Who is with me? Let's get started. If you believe the video is useful, consider it the best way for you to assist me. If you have not already subscribed, please do so now. I promise to be open and honest with you in everything we do, and we'll have some fun doing it. Tokenized money market funds are currently worth $1 billion. But by 2030, they will have grown to $16 trillion. Let's play ARCX, I recommend. Our tax department is a regulated custodian in the United Kingdom. As a result, we can create a token that can represent any asset we own. We have begun collaborating with Aberdeen Asset Management. In 2022, we received their investment. Their money market fund is currently one of the live funds on our platform, and it was tokenized shortly after your investment. Our platform currently offers 120 funds from a number of leading asset managers. The numerous funds at our disposal offer a diverse range of investment strategies. We believe that all assets will eventually be connected to the chain, and we must collaborate with Ripple to ensure their inclusion in XRPL. Remember, this is the same person who claimed in previous interviews that the XRP ledger would generate between $30 and $50 trillion and $50 trillion in the coming years. That's quite a large sum. Pay close attention. We don't know how the Bitcoin market will evolve in the next 5 years, do we? The ages of 25 and 30 should be exciting. Even though we are entering a utilities market, there will be a decline in the interim. That is exciting. Listen, my friends, the cryptocurrency community is going crazy right now. Work on the value of XRP, Algorand, or whatever you're investing in, I guess. Determine the market's expiration date for 2025. In order to bring the price of cryptocurrencies back down to a more manageable level, I intend to sell nearly all of my holdings. The majority of my XRP might even be sold. We purchased them when the market was struggling. That is my strategy. I wish you too had one. According to Chad Stein, XRP is the most popular cryptocurrency in South Korea. CoinMarketCap conceals the fact that South Korea is not included in their price statistics, which we have discussed in previous episodes. I'm having trouble understanding this. Whether or not CoinMarketCap is biased is irrelevant. With XRP, the South Korean peso is unquestionably crushing it. We all love you, you know. I really appreciate the volume. Thank you so much for your support of this incredible ecosystem. Furthermore, many South Koreans will lose it once we reach that point of usefulness. It will be exciting as well. South Korea deserves much praise. As a result, South Korea's XRP trade volume is exactly the opposite of that of Bitcoin. South Koreans are astute enough to recognize that a $100,000 Bitcoin investment will not put you into retirement. I believe that if XRP is purchased for $2.30 or $2.20, it has a better chance of increasing in value than Bitcoin. As a result, even if Bitcoin reached $200,000, its current value would have increased by 1. Looking at the same number, XRP only needs to reach approximately $4.80 to achieve the same results. I believe XRP has a better chance of generating a profit than Bitcoin. Even at this point in the cycle, you have ultimate control over your financial decisions. I assure you that I am not a financial advisor analyzing the cryptocurrency Ripple's XRP. This comes from you, Mr. Token. It's lots of fun. According to the study, Ripple and XRP posed an unexpected challenge because they defied cryptocurrency norms by incorporating DLT into financial institutions. Almost every rat that was there, huh? They vanished 10 years ago. Though they are currently thriving in every way, Ripple is not even close to surviving. The CC's negative press is nearly complete. There are connections to large financial institutions, international monetary organizations, private banks, and the government. And leading fintech companies such as SBI, MasterCard, ARKX, and others, as well as large private banks such as JP Morgan and UBS. All of them are listed in central bank partnerships, including Singapore's Massey, the American bank, the British bank, and so on. He claims to have spoken with the most influential people in the financial industry, including top executives, ISO, and international standards bodies. For our industry to advance, all banks must have adopted ISO 20022, the new communication standard, by November 2025. Having a standard that allows you to include cryptocurrencies in any payment you send is critical. It should come as no surprise that Ripple has long collaborated with the World Bank. As you may know, Ripple has collaborated with the World Bank. This is the environment Ripple has created in the last 10 years. Microsoft marks its 49th anniversary this year. Apple will celebrate its 48th anniversary this year. IBM is 113 years old. Whoa. That is amazing. Morgan has been in business for 153 years. Visa. I'm 66 years old. MasterCard was established 58 years ago. How has Ripple operated? Ripple, now 12 years old, has unquestionably established itself as a leader in the future banking and digital asset industries. Tokenization has been in use for a little over 10 years. This is awesome. This little arrangement was fantastic, in my opinion. This individual presents information in a very appealing and logical manner. I am following along with them. Let us ring the warning bell. You made an excellent post. Yanis also informed us that because Bitcoin and Ethereum are not considered e-money or utility tokens, they are exempt from legislation. On the contrary, ladies and gentlemen, XRP meets these criteria. So I'm sending you this little document outlining MiCA's implications in the European cryptocurrency market in 2024. I did it perfectly. So, to what extent are certain types of cryptocurrencies excluded from MiCA's regulatory framework? It claims that NFTs, investment tokens, and unclassified cryptocurrencies are among the most commonly used forms of digital currency. This is fantastic, man. There is also a small juicer down here from Smoke. Hurry up, I'll get this up. My oldest and only Euro stablecoin in circulation, along with XRP and Algorand, are fully compliant and controlled in terms of ISO 2000222 cryptocurrency. You'll be glad to see it in what is essentially official documentation here, even though I showed it in a previous video. Euros by StatStasis is the only fully compliant and regulated Euro stablecoin on the market today, with a 5-year history and 6 billion euros in transactions across 5 major blockchains: XRP, XTC, Algorand, and StatStasis. I have also included the previously mentioned clip. I'll play it for you right now. According to Brad Garlinghouse, Smoke indicates that XRP ETFs represent the transition from retail speculative trading to institutional acceptance. Let me clarify. Many proposals for XRP ETFs have been submitted both domestically and internationally. What are your thoughts on this issue? How do you feel about the documents? ETFs, in my opinion, act as a link between institutional acceptance and involvement in retail speculation. And unquestionably, the SEC was steered in that direction with a little coercion to approve the Bitcoin ETF and others. After the approval of the Bitcoin ETF, large financial institutions in particular were allowed to participate. As a result, I believe I stated clearly at the time that if someone asked if an XRP ETF would be available, I would say yes. Furthermore, I believe that an XRP ETF will eventually be created. Now that I think about it, I'm not entirely sure. There are probably 4 or 5 distinct filings in the United States. There's one on almost every continent. Besides, I think it's awesome. Again, I don't think this is shocking. Yes, I am thrilled. I sincerely hope that some cryptocurrencies will soon be authorized and exchanged, allowing people who are unable or unwilling to own them to continue participating in the ecosystem. I believe this is a fantastic development not only for XRP, but for the entire cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, I believe that BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF is worth more in capital than the gold ETF. I suppose you can't count on me for exact figures because investors have had access to the gold ETF for decades. I'm sorry, but you have to consider that Bitcoin was able to outperform BlackRock's entire gold ETF market in a matter of months, despite the fact that I do not deal in gold.